Get into seat and get ready for a fun snowball fight. Three dogs falling over in the snow. On your marks, get set, go! Get into your teams, run and dodge around. Aim, throw, swap, now go out. 3, snowboard sport. Run, throw, and fall, aim, throw the ball, duck and dodge and fall. Play snowball, dodge. Jump up in the air, that was a close one. Watch out! Run, run, run! Get ready to throw. Wow, look at that aim! Now you're at the third game. Run, throw a ball, aim and throw the ball, duck and dodge the ball. Play simple dodgeball. Throw as far as you can, sliding across the snow. Look at that snowball go. Spin around and throw a snowball back. Like that, snap. Roll a snowball score, aim and throw the ball. Touch them all, snowball, dodge. Turning into four, we threw every ball and we watched them all. We played snowball Let's play snowball run. Build a tower with a click, clap, and clap. Mix together slides and cubes with blocks. Lots of loops and tunnels, so much fun. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, marble run. Marbles rolling up and down through the tunnels round and round. Marbles zooming, what a fun! Marble run. Hold the marble ready, then let go. Watch it loop the loop, whizzing high and low. Spinning through the tunnel, so much fun. Watch it zooming round the marble run. Marbles rolling up and down through the tunnels round and round. Marbles zooming, what a fun! Game of marble run. Rolling down the tunnel, let's join in. Just like a marble, we roll and spin. Zooming down the tunnel, hey, watch out! Bobby's got stuck, he can't get out. Marbles rolling up and down through the tunnels round and round. Marbles zooming, what a fun! Game of marble run. On their way, all friends to save the day. They are just in time, hip, hip, hooray! Marbles rolling up and down through the tunnels round and round. Marbles zooming, what a fun! Game of marble run.